G'day folks, this is my post-paint video of the VK Commodore. I did the pre-paint video about 3 months ago, but unfortunately due to the COVID restrictions I can't get across to video the thing myself, so someone's taken some video for me, sent it across here, and I'm going to post that on YouTube because I've really become a little bit impatient and I'd like to get this video closed off. One thing you'll notice on the video is paint marks around the windscreen surrounds. This is because at the time we wanted to get new rubber, but there was none available, so we went with what we had, which was quite good. The only problem was there's paint marks from repairs that have been done without taking the windows or the rubber out. There is a solution to this and I'll show you what that is. Right, the solution for paint on rubber is to use some of this stuff. This in Australia is methylated spirits or rubbing alcohol. I don't know if there's a difference, but methylated spirits works well. A really sharp knife. This is a craft knife and some cotton buds. What you do is you soak the cotton buds in methylated spirits, and that softens the rubber up enough that sometimes you can just scrape the paint off with your fingernails, or you use a sharp knife, and that's the solution. It's okay and it works quite well. Anyway, enough of me, let's have a look at the car. Sorry for the voiceover. It would have been nice to talk about the car standing next to it, but due to the COVID border closures, that's just not going to happen for a while. Anyway, this of course is a 1985 Holden Calais. At one point we were going to paint it as an SS Tribute, but I think we made the right choice there by keeping it bog standard in Calais trim. There's still a few bits and pieces to do to the car, but at the moment it's not looking too bad. When the front windscreen was removed, the metalwork around there apparently was in fairly good condition and didn't need a lot of work to bring it up to scratch. That's usually where you find your worst nightmare as far as rust is concerned. We wanted to go with new front and rear windscreen surrounds, but at the time the car was to be painted. None were available. The existing surrounds are good, but we probably should have waited. You can see the paint marks where previous repairs have been done without taking the windscreens out. Underneath that rear windscreen rubber was totally rusted out, so the whole panel was replaced with a new one.